Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step guide to successfully defeat the electric and fire Poltergeist in Stalker 2, part of Chernobyl. Players need to employ specific strategies tailored to each variant's unique abilities and attack patterns. First, let's see how to beat electric Poltergeist's approach with caution. Start by getting close to the electric Poltergeist and engage it with a shotgun for maximum damage. It's important to be aware of your surroundings as you approach. Dodge telekinetic attacks. When you hear the sound of an object levitating, quickly run and jump to avoid being hit. This variant will often throw objects at you, so maintaining mobility is key. Track its movements. After taking damage, the Poltergeist will create a barrier of rubble and move erratically. Keep an eye on its movements and shoot it with SMGs or assault rifles from a distance. When it reappears, repeat the process. Now let's see how to beat fire Poltergeists. Maintain distance. Always keep a safe distance from the fire Poltergeist, as getting too close will result in burn damage. Use long-range weapons like assault rifles or submachine guns for combat. Wait for stillness. The fire Poltergeist frequently moves around. Do not waste ammunition. Instead, wait for it to become stationary before shooting at it. For maximum effect, utilize grenades in enclosed spaces. If you find yourself in a confined area, such as the detention center's basement, throwing grenades can deal significant damage. When it is stationary, monitor your health. By following these strategies, players can effectively defeat both electric and fire Poltergeist in Stalker 2. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.